Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make the fish pie. I will use bechamel sauce. Let's get started. Heat up some milk at medium heat. Add 1 chopped yellow onion, 1 carrot, some celery, parsley, two cloves, ground white pepper, a little ground mace, slowly bring to boil, then keep simmering for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove all the vegetables we added to the milk. Keep the saucepan at medium heat, then add codfish, some haddock, scallops. Bring to boil, poaching them for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add some shrimps or prawns. Turn off the heat right away and let it cool down. Strain into the colander. Keep the milk for the next step. Transfer them into the baking dish. Flake the fish. Measure 300 ml of milk we just collected. Melt some unsalted butter at low heat. Gradually add some plain flour and keep stirring. When the color is brown, add 1/3 of the milk we just collected. Repeat this process 2 more times. Keep stirring, it will thicken. Turn off the heat when the consistency is like this. For seasoning, I add some salt, black pepper, and double cream or heavy cream. Mix them well. The bechamel sauce is finished. Add the sauce to the baking dish. Mix with the seafood. Next, I will make the mashed potato. I steam 1 pound of potatoes in a steamer at high heat for 15 minutes. The fork will easily break the potato, meaning it's ready. Then mashing the potatoes. Add some finely chopped parsley, a little salt, unsalted butter, double cream or heavy cream. The mashed potato is finished. Preheat the oven at 380 Fahrenheit. Transfer some mashed potato on top of the seafood, then smooth the surface. I have extra mashed potato, so we'll pipe and decorate my fish pie like this. Fish scales, The edge is not that neat, so I will pipe some mashed potato here as well. I will bake the fish pie for 40 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the pie. This is the price list of all my ingredients. This fish pie cooked with bechamel sauce for 6 people cost me just over $26. I'm going to enjoy my fish pie. Thanks for watching my video.